Today, I wanted to share a powerful LinkedIn marketing strategy for local businesses that have physical premises and rely on a lot of local customers and traffic for their revenue. So, what you can do is use LinkedIn to do postcode targeting to find other business owners or other people in the local area and come up with a strategy to get them to come into your store, your restaurant, your business, whatever operation you've got running. And it's been particularly tough for a lot of physical premises with lockdowns and COVID. So hopefully this strategy helps and gives you a way to drive in new customers and create new revenue streams on the other side of all the restrictions. So you'll see here with the Sales Navigator tool that LinkedIn offers, you have geography. What this allows you to do is actually do postcode targeting. So if I click on postcode, I can actually go within a 1 mile radius all the way out to a much bigger radius. But let's say an 8K radius is close enough for a lot of businesses. So if I put in a postcode, I'll use my postcode where I am right now in Box Hill North, Victoria. You'll see we've got 160,000 people on LinkedIn that are within this radius. So let's say I want to target business owners in the local area. I could type in owner. And there's over 5,000 results with business owners in this radius. And I could narrow this down to the industry. I could add in some other forms of targeting. But what I could do is then go, okay, I want to see if I can get customers or businesses on board. Let's say I'm a cafe or doing their coffee orders or their lunch orders on a recurring basis, or even booking meetings or using us as some sort of catering service. What I might do is go for a company that has a larger headcount. So I know that they're going to be able to do bigger orders. So it might be, say, 11 to 50 employees. So they're not too big and they're not too small. And right now we have zeroed down to 513 business owners within an 8K radius of the postcode that you're currently in. So then it's just coming up with the right strategy to encourage them to get in. You might offer some sort of free coffees initially to get them in, or a free lunch, and that might cost you $5, $10, $20, $30. But if you get them and a whole series of customers that come in and buy every single week on repeat for an extended period of time, think of the lifetime value of that. So give a little up front, create a great experience for them, and potentially get that long-term customer value in the future. So that's just an idea for hospitality businesses that have done it tough or think that there might not be a strategy for them on LinkedIn. I've just shown you one. If this was helpful, make sure that you subscribe. We try and drop a LinkedIn marketing video twice a week. And if you've got a question or a comment or you want to share this, pop it below. We'll get straight back to you.